the second one, we are going to make my Harpic. Yeah, ile sabuni ya kuosha choo. So first, because it's very how do I call it? The gases that this produces, ziko very concentrated, and so we need to open all our doors, all our windows if possible, ndio kukuwe na hiyo ventilation. Don't do this kama hujafungua windows zote or you're not near the door. Haya, niko na hii mlango yangu hapa, and I have this seat hapa ndio nitaekelea ndoo yangu. When you buy this, it comes with this, with this, with this, with this, with this, and with this. I may not know all the terms, but najua vile you're supposed to mix all of this together. So you start off with this, this, and then the salt. You start off with hizi zenye ni tatu. Anyway, that's how they explained it to me. So that's how I usually do it. The second one. Make sure you drain everything here, and I'm gonna show you a trick in a few of how you can remove all this using the salt that we have right here. You make sure that you mix everything up. Mix kabisa hadi you can't feel the granules. You can feel your salt tena, like everything combines very well. If you have the hand blender, even better. But since niko nayo, but I don't want to use that one, I'm just gonna do it the manual way. I'm not in any rush to go anywhere, so yeah, let me mix until everything is combined, well combined. This could take me even up to 3 to 5 minutes to mix this. Forgot to record. You can continue adding water. Here you need 10 liters of this. So we continue. Ukiona imekuwa mzito sana, you can continue adding water. So now it's time to add this. This one has completely dissolved. Kabisa kabisa. And I need it to be like outside. So we add this. And this is where I say this is quite dangerous. You can do masks, and because I'm just near the door, I don't need the mask, but it's usually very, very poisonous. And then what we need to do is add we will add this. This is the color. Later on I opted for blue. I usually opt for blue for this, and then later on we will add this, but since I've only added 2 liters of water, I'm going to add 8 liters of water right now. And how I measure is make sure your line imeendanisha. You place your jug on a very flat surface. So this is exactly 1 liter. That's how I measure all my water. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can continue stirring as well, just to make sure that the consistency is good. So we stir. Yep. 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's good. Right now, even the consistency, ooh, it's thick enough. As you can see, yeah, this is, do you see the consistency? Ama ni mimi too. But this is the consistency that you want. Ilete imenye unamwaga kwa choo. You see that? It's not too thick and it's not very light. And then from here, you can add this. This, as I said, ni color. This is how much you know I make my own soaps. So I'm gonna use this. This is the green color. Indontatumia. This blue I'll save and do my detergent, my 20 liters detergent. Ama nitumie hii because there's also this, and save this. So yeah, let's use this one. Again, si lazima utumie yote. You just use what you think is enough. Si lazima utumie yote, and you can save the rest. Oh yeah, this is the color I wanted. Do you see that? Goodness. Yes, this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But I think I have overdone it, but hii iko sawa bado. Oh, yes. And this is the match they give you for perfume, but you can opt for a bigger size, but hii size iko tu sawa bado. So, yeah. The color turned out great. It's so nice, and I've also saved kidogo I can use next time. So yeah, I have my Harpic now. Kinda happy. Smells nice as well. I opted for lavender, strong lavender, not just the normal lavender. Okay, yes, like this. I like this. You can do any color. Again, inakuwaga preference ya mtu. And this is perfect. Now what I'll do is wait for the bubbles to settle, wash this so that I can now make the other detergent. And then what I'll do is just close and put it aside. Utaiweka bafu kwenye hawezi shindania nayo. And then tomorrow I'm gonna transfer it. I'm gonna transfer in the container that they are supposed to go to. Moja, I save 5 liters for my toilet and 5 liters for the other toilet, because we have 2 bathrooms here, or 2 toilets. And yeah, that's how I make that. And imagine buying this at for 400. You can't buy anywhere in the supermarkets for 400. No, but 5 liters, 5 liters, they are usually very expensive. So this I save so much. Jik pia yenyewe, it's usually a lot. I think he jik near 120 or something of the sort. I don't have the receipts, but yeah. So next up, my soap detergent.